Ladies and gentlemen, I am here today with the infamous seal hater, Allie Davis.
Ah! Fallon! I mean, instructor, whose name is not Fallon. Seal! Shut up.
She's not very friendly to the seals.
And now it's gone. Thanks to me. Look at the dead seal. Ready? It's a really bad dead seal. It's really bad at being dead. I mean, I can do a better job than that.
You're probably like a seal.
I'm alive! I've come back from the dead! And you'll wonder why I hate seals. Watch this. Action.
You almost like knocked the wind out of me.
Oh my god. That's not a seal, it's like a demented dying cow who's giving birth.
Push! Oh, push! Oh, more! And I popped the baby.
Boo! Right across the room, just like an Ace Ventura pet detective. Your number's still 911. Ow! That's what they say.
Oh.
Oh.
I guess I'm not a seal anymore.
Now you're a walrus.
Yeah, see, we're kind of low budget. I have to do multiple things at once. My baby should be like this. I'm Walrus. I'm gonna eat you.
You're kind of low budget.
Yeah, we're kind of low budget. What can I say? But come on, our audience is low budget too. They'll never be not a real walrus.
Now we're introducing our new character, the chicken. Chicken on psycho pills.
Chicken on what?
Psycho pills.
Give me more psycho pills.
And now we're introducing the chicken with its head cut off. We're so low budget, we had to get a pillow to cover up the head instead of just cropping it out with computers.
We're just not that talented at digital editing.
I know.
Actually, we're kind of too cheap to buy a digital editing program.
We don't even have this camera. It's just a figment of your imagination.
Yeah, in fact, you're not even watching this video right now because it doesn't exist. Ooh. Ooh. And now I'm fading away.
And now dying.